Yes, how are you today?
Sir, good evening. Yeah, I'm okay, sir. How are you?
Yeah, how's the jobs are going? How is everything?
Fine, sir. As usual, jobs are
Yeah,
going well.
okay, good. Anyway, recently I attended some training on mentoring and coaching. So I just want to listen from you. What are the challenges you have it, and how we can move forward in better way. Maybe as a coach, I can guide you in method like what we call is grow approach. In grow approach, basically G stands for goal, R stands for reality, and O stands for options, and W stands for what we'll do. So maybe you can what are the challenges you have it you can share with us. We can discuss how we can adopt this grow model in this. So just tell me what difficulty or what challenges you are facing in present job execution.
Uh, thank you, sir, for this opportunity. Um, Grow model. It's really interesting. About the difficulties and challenges. Yes, there are some challenges. However, trying to cover up some of them. Uh, to be listing out, I can mention, say, on performing all the assigned jobs. I'm not sure I'm fully able to perform all the jobs which are assigned to me because of some other unexpected priorities comes in between
Okay,
such things.
so
And,
that we consider as your goal to you need to do the job. That is your goal. So what are the we can say it's a reality you are not able to do. Like goal and realities are same. So what do you feel it like you are not able to do on priority some jobs? What way it will be you can do better way? Like what are the options you have it now for this?
options, I can say, the main thing is if I set some goals and I've been diverted from one task to some other, and the earliest task being diverted away. So I can maybe I can use some of the provisions, some of the email techniques in more good manner. Like I can keep reminders or
Okay.
right now I'm actually noting down in a notebook, but I can
Yeah.
practice a better way and keep reminders in one manner that.
Okay. So I see there are some other options also. Like why can't you try for some Viva or something like that? It's in reminders in Outlook and other thing which is remind you. So why can't you use such thing
Yeah,
also?
yeah, yes, sir. I could see some reminders automatically it pops up, but I'm not thorough in it. Maybe I can look into that as an option also. Like
Okay.
I need to go through it, how I can set reminders and all. Yes, that's a good option, sir. I can also opt for that.
Okay, okay. So what others like you will see? Okay, this we'll see that what we can do it and yeah, I think like what we agreed, like the options what you have given is good, and I think you can continue to do that, so that I
Yes,
think
sir.
you can get that better track, or you can
Yeah,
give what
it
are the
will like.
priorities and go forward. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What others other than this? What is other things you are facing it now?
The challenges at the moment I can recall is getting support from other department, like within our company, like HR or purchase department, like
Okay.
some other coordinated. It's a coordinator work, as usually we need to have support from all these department whenever we get the report or updates. Yeah, that I feel like sometimes I'm not able to get on time.
Like how do you maybe support in the sense any response, in-time response you can say,
Yes,
correct?
yeah, that's what I mean, on time, like,
Okay. So what, what we can do for that? Like, what are the options you have for that?
options I need to talk to them, or I can set a meetings with the other
Okay.
departments
Okay.
to give, more or prioritize when I need something on time, because,
Okay.
they have to be very serious about the real requirement from my end. So that I need to convince them through meetings or like that.
Okay.
That is one
Like,
option.
are you giving everything together, or you have some schedule? Because every time you go, maybe they'll not like it. What way you're doing it now?
As of now, like, it's not like a scheduled request. As and when I get the requirement, I straight
Yeah.
away I follow up with them. I send emails or I ask them over the phone or etc. But it's not like a scheduled one.
Okay. Okay. I think you can opt for something like you can schedule some review meeting or something else. Like you can set some frequency and meet it, or instead of you are sending it, maybe it's better. Like, how do you feel that?
Yeah, there's also one point. I can compile all those requirements or requests together, like a weekly ones or some, so that that will be fine with them also to schedule for me at least a quite few
Yeah.
time. So yes, that is a good option, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Along with that, a meeting also, explaining about these things also. You can
Yeah,
have an.
you need to interact more. Maybe you have to have something like that. You can opt it what you are told. Like you can have set a meeting, like monthly meeting, or you send it by structured way. You can opt it whatever way it is better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Other than that, what do you feel it like? Any other thing improvements you can do it in other points, like
Yeah,
apart from this.
there are from project related difficulties. There, like, most of the projects what we have is maintenance.
Yeah.
Some of the people who are hired as per the contractual department, they might be
Yeah.
overqualified, like, the real contractual requirement and the actual work on the ground are sometimes, entirely different.
Yeah.
In such cases, so they are qualified, but not qualified for these works. In such scenario, I get difficulty that, getting work done through them. And also I get the people who are qualified in some other trade. In this case, that is also one of the difficulties I can encounter.
In say you're getting people in overqualified. Some case maybe it is
Yes,
a different trade. They are not
different
supposed
trade.
to do
Yes,
this job. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yes.
So what way we can resolve this? What you are thinking? How we can go about this?
Uh, this thing, yeah, actually, I need to work out. I have to put some time on reassessing the abilities or the actual requirements
Okay.
to maybe, if they are really trade is something different, but they are expert in the required work, then I can ask HR or management to change their trade to the required trade.
Okay.
That is also one of the option.
Okay.
And some like a general helper, some of the semi-skilled help, technicians, they are
Yeah.
now improved. Like, some of them are improved in their field. Maybe I can recommend for a designation change or like
Okay.
that. Yeah, that is
Hmm.
one of the options I can see. I need to work out on that if that is the case.
Okay. This trade maybe like like maybe contractually it might have given different way. Why can't you see the reality at the site and like what types of work is required? Like you have like a mechanical job, maybe you don't require a mechanical technician. Why can't you reassess the reality of the job and maybe you can ask for some help, something like that you can do?
Yes, sir. Yeah, that is yeah. That's as I told you, reassessing the real requirement at the site, regardless of what is there in the contract.
Okay.
Yes, that is also good, but we need to have a consent with the maybe client, or that is also on point.
Okay.
But that is the best solution, I feel, if every stakeholder agrees with that.
Because basically you have performance based, so it's up to you, how you manage it. So maybe you'll able to get approval for that. Okay, we can try for that. Okay. Anyway, good. This point, I just noted down these points like this. We'll conclude it. How we'll go about that. So first is that performance priority works are not able to do. As you told, like you will go for some reminders and you'll go for some automatic reminder in the email or for the work so that your priorities works are done in time. So you agreed to do that in that way. So so that you will have some improvement. Second one is you're not getting interdepartment support. Yes, you told that you'll be having some meeting to improve, or maybe we'll have some team building meeting to improve the connection and more communication. And you may be instead of sending one mail, another thing, you can group it and give a once consolidate thing and submit and give a follow up. Then other thing either weekly or monthly, yes, based on requirement, you will have that meeting with the other departments, with the agenda, so that you'll have a better follow-up for that and more communications can be done. Okay. Or even your monthly meeting, you can include this purchase or HR team once in a while, so that it will move better way. Okay. Other about you told that challenges for the trade, like manpower, record manpower, either you are getting overqualified or underqualified people. Like as you told, maybe you can reassess the requirement and maybe get as per the real site requirement, you can assess it and do it. So or with support from the both client and our side. So that again you have to get client convinced because you are having performance-based job. So these are the thing as we agreed. I have noted down as agreed. So then we will have some review meeting. Today is 28th. Maybe before next 28th next month we'll review how it is going about and to just see the performance. Whether it's any other challenges there, or how we can improve it like that. Okay, Hanif?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Hanif.